Hello, my friends. This is the Forest Stalker Brothers. I'm Jerin, and behind the camera is Karel.
Hello.
We are chilling here in front of a beautiful cave, and I decided that it would be a good time to show you the meal that I prepare on every Stalker or Metro or, you know, any event that calls for cooking something on the go, but it is not complicated that much. So, I'll just start my heater a little bit. Okay, I said little bit, okay? Okay, make sure it is nice and round, that it will not fall down. Now I take my water bottle, which I have to check that it's not vodka. Okay, because this usually contains my vodka, so just had to make sure that I didn't pack a different one before the trip. Now, I just start by adding a little water, which can start boiling. So, next, while our water is little boiling, I take lunchmeat, very Slavic specialty, which is not really meant to be eaten raw, okay? Look at this. Western people may say that it's disgusting, but this is what gold looks like. It's delicious, by the way. So, first I scoop all the fat and add it inside slowly, okay? Don't do it too harsh, you don't want the boiling water to be on your fucking skin. But don't worry, I used to work as a chef for a year and a half as my first job, which classifies me as a person that knows what the fuck he is doing, okay? Now, don't forget that once you start adding fat into the mix, the water will start to boil much faster. So you will need to add water while it's cooking progressively. Kaszę, ase kaszę.
Czekam na tu wasi kaši.
Máte lžíci? Tak jeste.
Máte žíci? Tak jste.
Žíci máte, tak dobrou chuť.
Okay, as the next step, we take one cheap ramen. It doesn't matter which flavor you will choose, okay? Because most likely we will not use the little flavor package. Maybe the oil, just maybe. But what you want to do is take your metal spoon or anything hard enough, but I'm not going to do it with a rock, okay? And just smash it to the fucking bits. Keep smashing. Opa! Chili! Now we cooking! Now we cooking! To pойдет.
Dvě chuje ufiknu a hodím do polívky.
As you can see, it's happily bubbling. The food is getting prepared. Almost ready to eat. Just delicious. This will keep you going for the rest of the day.
Come on, chef, I'm hungry.
Okay. Just give me a little moment. Tak jo. Bon appetit.
Děkuji.
Oh. My friends, after delicious meal, don't forget to relax a little bit, light a cigarette maybe, increase your comfort in the nature, maybe by playing some radio. I'd pitch you. and enjoy going outside. After all, springtime is coming.
Kámo, Stalker ramen. Still.
To fakt bublá jak ta kaše, to je hrozný.
Chtěl jste být chytrej? Tak naše. A jeste, dokud vás nenapadne, jak zní ven.
Zase jenom kaše.
Tak naše.
Víci už máte, tak dobrou chuť.
Žít si máte. Tak dobrou chuť. Naše.